Did you know that the tongue is the strongest muscle in the body? Do you know that there are more than 200 million cows in India? Did you know that playing music for a chicken makes it lay the biggest egg? Did you know that honey is the only non-perishable food? Do you know that the first ship was built in Egypt? Did you know that bears have 42 teeth? Do you know that rice is the main food of 50% of the world's population? Did you know that apples are more effective at preventing sleep than coffee? Do you know that seawater is the best face mask? Did you know that the human nose can detect 10,000 different smells? Did you know that it is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open? Do you know that honey enters the bloodstream 20 minutes after eating? Did you know that the only continent without reptiles and snakes is Antarctica? Did you know that Antarctica consists of 98% ice and 2% thin rock? Did you know that women blink twice as often as men? Did you know that human stomach acid has the ability to digest razor blades? Do you know that American people's favorite food is pizza, and they eat an average of 73,000 square meters of pizza every day? Did you know that there are 33 million electrons in every drop of water? Did you know that ants can survive underwater for 2 days? Do you know that a woodpecker hits a tree trunk 20 times per second? Do you know that horses can sleep standing up? Do you know that kangaroos can jump 3 meters up and 8 meters forward?